Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make Google as a default home page. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right. Go ahead to the apps and then just go ahead and type Google, Chrome, right? And double check if your Google Chrome needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into playing the Chrome app, and as you can see right here, this is your Google Chrome, the Google browser, the search engine, right? And if I wanted to change it or make it on a default, just click the three dots at the below right corner and then just swipe left and just go ahead to the settings, and you're gonna be able to see right here the default browser. Open the Chrome settings, tap default browser app, and then select Chrome. I'm gonna just go ahead to the Chrome settings basically, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here the default browser is my Safari. You could change it to your Google browser. In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it there, and the search engine, make it, you can make it, or you can change it to being Yandex or DuckDuckGo or Yahoo, or keep it on a Google browser. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.